Hello everyone, welcome to Low Code FX. In this video, we are going to develop one web resource from the scratch. The objective of this POC is creating a QR code from the Canvas app using web resource, and we are providing print option to that QR code. Consider one use case of IT asset management. So basically, organization allocate assets to the employees, and here we have developed a IT asset management system. So for each of the asset we have a record. We are going to generate a QR code for that particular record. So let's get started. Let's create one gallery first, and then we will develop web resource. So on visible of the screen I will create one collection, so call IT assets, employee as well as asset. Let me add one gallery. I will remove all the controls within it. Add one horizontal container inside this. I will need text box, multiple text boxes I will create here, and I will add one button. This button is nothing but generate QR. Yeah, I will increase width to 120. Yeah, I will select the text and make it flexible width. I will add padding of at the right and left. Yes, let's assign that collection here. Call IT asset. First one would be this item dot asset ID, asset name dot assigned to dot allocation data. I need to jump from another screen to this screen, collect this information. So we have got this. Let me add one more text, bring it left. This is this item dot status. Perfect. Our focus is to generate a QR code for this video. Now let's create web resource. For this, click on new, more, and web resource. Here we will find either we can upload a file or provide a code directly. Then we can select which code we are using. So we are using HTML here, and we can provide name. Name would be QR code. Yeah, language I will use English. Okay, now let's create a code using AI tool. So for that I will leverage Google Gemini. Let me add a prompt. Copy it. I will paste it over here and save. Yes, now you can see the web resources available here. QR code generator. Let's publish all the customization. Let's ask Gemini, give me launch function as well. So this one, copy it. Now we will use that code in this button, generate QR. Let's paste this. I need to add my organization here, so paste it over. I need to provide web resource name here, so let me just check, open it. So this is our name, so let me copy it and paste it over here. Let's provide here this item dot asset ID, and this is asset name. Yes, now let's test. Create code. I need to remove .html from here. Yeah, let's test it out again. Can't see the QR code, so let me pass this URL to Gemini. Let's copy it again. I need to go to web resource, select all and paste it again, save. I need to publish it again. Let's try again. Perfect. Now we got QR code as well as asset ID number and asset name as well as print label. But this UI is bit basic, so let me ask Gemini to create advanced UI. Perfect. We got code here. Copy it. Let's go to web resource, replace it, save, again publish, generate. Perfect. Generate printout. Yeah, yes, we have got this. Let's try this, generating this. HP monitor 3. Generate printout. Perfect. So this is how we can create a web resource. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more videos and please like and comment for better reach. Thank you.